Get ready for the 2025 Toyota Fortuner. A highly anticipated SUV that's long been known for its rugged design, off-road capabilities, and reliability. The 2025 model is poised to receive a fresh design, embracing a bolder and more muscular look, with a commanding grille, aggressive headlights, and sleek lines. Inside, there might be a premium upgrade, promising spacious, comfortable seating and family-friendly third-row options. Rumor has it that it could be loaded with tech, including a potential digital cluster, a larger touchscreen, a heads-up display, a 360-degree camera, advanced driver assistance systems, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and ventilated seats. It will most probably be built on the advanced TNGAF platform, which is lighter and sturdier and provides improved ride quality. Expectations for the powertrain options include a potential 2.8-liter turbo diesel with mild hybrid, 6-speed manual or automatic, and 4x4 options. While no electric model confirmed, Toyota's electrification plans to launch 30 new electric vehicles by 2030 may bring a surprise. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner is expected to come with enhanced off-road features like four-wheel drive, locking differential, hill descent control, and advanced traction. While pricing remains a mystery, the potential for reliability, durability, and exceptional value is exciting.